Good morning guys. Naanami diri sa Dayang, Talikod Island, no? Kauban na to ang Youth Guardians. Ug atong founding mother sa Mindanao Aguila Guardians International Park. Kauban na to ang mga Kudyaw, si headed by Ruben, no? Binaben and Mangkukulam sa dagat is in the house. And also Eddie Bencho. Hi, brother. Good morning. May buntag. So we're here in Talikod Island for some documentation of how is the coral reefs goes here. Still alive or need help?
It always needs help.
It always needs help.
Always needs maintenance.
So that is our advocacy to replant, conserve, protect
For a future.
for the futures of our.
I don't think they put in there too much.
Good morning everyone. May karon diri sa Tagalogin natin para magkasinabot ang lahat. Nandito po kayo sa Dayan. Dayan. So dito kami sa Dayan, no? Daming mga visitors ngayon. Yan, with Dale and also dalawang bangka natin, no? With the youth of the future of the Philippines, kabataan, no? Ang pag-asa ng bayan. And also Miss Gail, the Budos girl. Yeah, with the founding mother of Aguila Guardians, founding Rosyon. So, yan. Nice views.